just seeing what the difference is. I've got my GoPro, I'm messing with it. I had it on linear because the videos that I watched online, they had recommended settings, right, for different things. And several of them suggested to use the setting linear, right? Well, I've done some videos with linear. They look pretty good. You know, I've checked on them. They seem to be okay. But then I figured, well, when I was standing right here earlier, moving back and forth, doing this video, talking, it looked like I was real far away, right? So I changed it to narrow, and I wanted to see how does narrow turn out. Does narrow make me look like I'm, you know, like 12 feet away when I'm only really maybe 3 or 4 feet? I think right here maybe I'm 4 feet away. Like right here maybe 2 feet away. But in the video using linear, I looked much further away. The video quality was great, but I just seemed to be way out here. Compared to the videos that I did with my cell phone before. So anyway, just playing around with this, just trying to get a feel for it, and I think I'm done with playing right now.